Good morning, welcome back to another Designer's Den. This morning is the first video of a new series that we're calling Marble Matters. We're going to take you through different product categories on the show floor that have real marble and faux marble. This morning we're going to look at some coffee tables. This first one is a real marble coffee table from Ashley Furniture. This is brand new for us. We just got it in and it's such an incredible value at $398 for a real marble table. And some of the things I want to discuss when buying real marble is that no two pieces are going to be exactly the same. If you've ever shopped for countertops for your kitchen and you go to a countertop store and you see those slabs of marble hanging up, it's the same type of concept. Each one has its unique characteristics as far as the veining and just the natural colors that come with it. And because it's stone, it's also porous. So when you have this in your home, you just want to be mindful of making sure you have coasters or placemats. If anything spills on this, you do want to wipe it right away because it can absorb into the stone. And also anything hot, so you definitely want to make sure to have something underneath if you're going to use this surface as a functional surface. The second piece we're going to go to is a faux marble table, and there's some really cool qualities that I think you'll like. So one thing I want to demonstrate about this table with this hammer, nothing happened to this table. You can't even see where I hit the hammer on the table. The material is virtually indestructible. Side note, you don't want to take a hammer to real marble because you will break it, it will crack, you will destroy it. But with this stuff, high pressure laminate, nothing happens to it. And with high pressure laminate, you're not going to have the same limitations as the real marble. So because this is not real stone, it's going to be pretty uniform in terms of the color and the veining. So what you see in the store is what you're going to get at home. And you're not going to have the same limitations of the maintenance aspect. So you don't have to worry about heat, you don't have to worry about leaving something wet on this for a long period of time and having it absorb, because it won't. So this is extremely kid-friendly if you have little ones running around and banging into things. And also it's a great affordable option if you want that real marble look without the real marble price tag. So I hope you enjoyed this video looking at different marble and faux marble coffee tables, and we will see you next week on Designer's Den.